Everybody knows Smoke on the Water, but what are the chords to Smoke on the Water? So Smoke on the Water is definitely an iconic song. It's one of those things that most guitar players learn. It's their first song. It's all no barring, nothing like that.
Yes! Oh! All right!
So it's easy for people to play. But what are the chords to it? Does anybody actually know? Well, we're going to break it down and tell you what the chords are, possibly for the first time. The first one is a G dyad. It's G5 power chord. It's the root and the fifth. So it's just G and D. The second one is B flat 5. It's B flat and F. We're not playing the D third. Then it's C major, fifth. C and G, we're excluding E from there. And then it goes back. And then eventually, when you hit that 6th fret, you're playing C sharp 5, which is C sharp and G sharp. We're just taking F out of the equation. Now I'm going to play both versions back to back so you can see what I'm doing. So either way you play it, it's the same chords, but I did that to demonstrate that they're still just all power chords. G, B flat, C, and then you still C sharp in there for the turnaround, so to speak. But basically G, B flat, and C are the chords to Smoke on the Water. And I find it kind of ironic because a lot of people who do play guitar, although they may be a beginner, but even intermediate guitar players don't actually know what the chords to Smoke on the Water is, but they do know that riff. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video to support the channel. And in the description, you can check out the book, download the first chapter for free, download all of my slides that I've ever used for any video, and watch all of my YouTube videos in one place.